This Helping Hands video is going to focus on finger pinch strength. And what we're going to use is this Geo Board. This Geo Board is just a plastic square with little pegs on it. And we're going to have an assortment of elastic bands that we're going to use to pull into all of the pegs. So you can make shapes, you can make little pictures, but I find most kids just want to make a hot mess with this thing and just put the elastic bands all over the place in any order. We're not going to be super picky because basically we just want them grabbing those elastics with a good pinch and pulling them into the direction where they want to place them. And that's the whole goal of the activity. So let them do whatever they feel most comfortable doing. I picked up this Geo Board at Amazon.com with an assortment of elastics, and I think the total came to around $20 to $25. So I find it's a really fun, easy activity that you can take anywhere and great for working on pinch strength.